Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use Connecteam App. So I'm going to walk you through step-to-step guide on how to use Connecteam App. So watch the very end. So in the first step, you have to sign up to Connecteam website. So you can also click on the website, which is www.connecteam.com. Then click on the sign up button and fill in your details to create an account. Then verify your email address to activate your account. Then on the step 2, you can download the app. So go to the App Store, or for the iOS, then for the Android, go to Google Play Store for the mobile device. Then search for the Connecteam and download the app. Then open the app and log in with your Connecteam account credential. Then on the step 3, you have to set up your profile. So once logged in, go to the profile section, then fill in your personal details, including your name, job title, and contact information. Then upload a profile picture if desired. Then on step 4, you have to navigate to your dashboard. Then the dashboard is the main hub for accessing different features. Then explore the various sections such as task, message, time clock, and job scheduler. Then finalize yourself with the layout navigation. Then after that, you have to manage your task, which is the step 5. Then go to the task section to view and manage your task. Create a new task by clicking on the add task button. Then access task to team members, set a due date, and add note. Now on the step 6, use the time clock. So navigate to the time clock section to clock in and out of your shift. Then track your work hour, breaks, and overtime. Then review your timesheet and submit team for approval. Then schedule job, which is the step 7. Go to the job scheduler section to view and manage your shift. Then accept or reject assigned shift and claim unsigned shift. Then make your availability and update your scheduler as needed. Then on the step 8, you have to communicate with your team. So use this message section to chat with your team member and send date, instead of date, share files, and access the directories of your employees. Then participate in group chat and stay connected to your team.